What's up, party people? Danny B&H guy. I'm over at the Chick-fil-A, Nashua, New Hampshire. Got myself a chicken biscuit sandwich with a couple mayonnaise packs. Actually, they gave me 3 mayonnaise packs. I'll probably only need 1. But yeah, Saturday morning. It's pretty cold out. I'm gonna go check out the Goodwill up on Amherst Street. I haven't been there for a whole week. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It looks like a heart. Look at that. Look at the biscuit. Look at that. It's definitely a heart, guys. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at that biscuit. Look at that. I'm going to put that in the title, guys. So yeah, I'm going to put some mayonnaise on this bad boy. And it's going to be my breakfast today. Going to go do some thrifting. I hate to break this heart, but I got to break the heart, guys. Oh yeah. That's made with love right there, guys. This thing's pretty good. So yeah, guys, I took it easy last night. I watched most of the Celtics game and I fell asleep. And I got up this morning. I listed 3 things on eBay. Went to the post office and here I am in the parking lot eating my sandwich, guys. So it's definitely going to be a cold ride today on the unicycle. But I went out last night for about an hour. It was nice, even though it's cold, it's nice to get out and jump on it, you know. Chick-fil-A is pretty good, guys. I like Popeyes too. I like their chicken sandwiches. I like their little shrimps and cocktail sauce. Yeah, so hopefully I'll find some good stuff today. Almost caught up on my death pile. I gotta find a box. I have an old PlayStation 3 I want to sell. I gotta find the right box for it. I got a spare bedroom upstairs that I'm cleaning out, and I'm donating stuff and keeping some stuff, and then other stuff that I'm gonna throw on eBay. So That's good, guys. So get some extra napkins. That hit the spot. And yeah, guys, it's right over there. Chick-fil-A. So thanks for watching as always, and we'll talk soon, party people. Peace.